Yeah, hi everybody. Been looking recently for a cycle rack, mainly to carry a couple of bikes, and this is the one I found, which I found to be really good so far. I've only got two bikes to actually put on it, but this is a 4-bike carrier. It's a Pacific brand. Got it from 99 Bikes. Found their service there really useful. You can see some information, and I'll post some information in this video about the cycle rack. So let's just have a look at how it fits to the car. Yeah, so I've actually got a Hayman Reece tow bar. This one's attached to the back of a Toyota Prado, and this hitch is specially made for the Prado. It's got a 50mm square input, as you can see. So let's have a look how the tow bar fits in there. So here we are, we've got the Pacific 4-carrier cycle rack inserted in to the Hayman Reece socket. And as I said, you've got this anti-rattle pin that goes in. Now the important thing about selecting this cycle rack is the throw that you can see there gives you really good clearance on the spare wheel carrier, which is obviously, if you've got the spare wheel mounted on the back of the Prado like I have, that is really important, that you've got enough throw on your bike carrier to actually not hit the spare wheel carrier there. So now we've got the cycle rack arms, or the carry arms, extended. Again, nice simple construction. There's a lock-in pin here which goes through, as you can see, nice and secure. The other really good thing about this cycle carrier from my point of view is that there's also a pivot pin here down the bottom. Now what that allows you to do is you can actually pivot the carrier arm forwards. Okay, so I'm just going to demonstrate how you put your bike on to the cycle rack. If you've got one of these modern bikes with a sloping crossbar, or you've got a ladies style bike with a walkthrough, you really need to get an adjuster, and I'll show you what that looks like. So this is a crossbar adapter. What this allows you to do is to hook this between the handlebars at one end and the saddle at the other end, and actually form an artificial crossbar, which you can then use to put in the cycle carrier. Helps to carry the bike straight. Okay, so you can see now I've used the adapter to just clip on here below the saddle post, and then up here at the handlebars. This has got a spring in it in the middle, so it's adjustable, and when you lift this up, it'll fit nicely onto the racking of the cycle rack, which I'll show you now. Okay, so there we go, we've got the bike on the cycle rack. As you can see, it's just in position 2. So this adjustable artificial rail, you can see, is clipped between the handlebars here and the saddle post over here, and what that does is it creates a really straight crossbar for you to put onto the cycle carrier. So if you've got a bike like mine which has got a sloping crossbar, it fixes that problem and gives you a nice straight crossbar to put on the cycle rack. And you can see here, just got Velcro straps, fit through there like that, lock down, pull tight, and bring that over. And there you have it, one bike on the Pacific cycle rack. Nice easy transport using a crossbar adapter. Hope that's useful, guys.